Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are pranking the boy and it is going to be so funny. I've literally been wanting to prank him every single day, but my problem is that I cannot lie and I always laugh. I crack up every time I prank someone. It's so bad. But today I'm gonna do a good job. I really thought about how I'm gonna pull this off. Basically what I'm gonna do is hide my cat because he's obsessed with my cat, and I'm gonna freak him out and make him think that I literally lost her, that she jumped off the second story. It is going to be the funniest freaking prank because he loves this cat more than he loves himself. Literally, he loves this cat. So I know it's gonna be really funny. And I already thought about how I'm gonna do it, so I am going to drop my cat off at my friend's for a little bit and basically just tell him that I lost her and that I think I left the door open for a while. Plus, you guys, I really have left the door open, the sliding door, and we live on the second story. And she has gone outside before, and I literally caught her and freaked out, and this has happened probably like 3 times. So I know he'll believe it, and I know he'll freak out, and I'm gonna literally drive him crazy, and I'm gonna piss him off, and it's gonna be hilarious. So I'm so sorry, babe. I love you, but I know that this is gonna be funny, so I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, so we are gonna go hide the cat. Let's go! Alright guys, here we go. Say, I'm so sorry. Simba, say, Simba, say, you just got pranked, boy. She doesn't like it. She already hates this prank, you guys. Let's go. You guys, he's on his way. I have his location. He's down the street. I need to set up the camera. I'm freaking out because I have cat fur all over me. Alright guys, so the cat is gone. We are gonna set up the camera and wait for him to come home. I'm gonna freak out when he gets home. Let's do this. Alright guys, so he is down the street. I'm so nervous. I'm so bad at pranks, but I think it's gonna go good. The cat is away and he is going to freak out. Simba. Simba. Simba.
You have a lot of wallets too. You have Gucci.
Yeah, hey, that Gucci, can I send it to Gucci too?
I'm so annoyed I can't find Simba.
What?
You should go.
Yeah, I'll call you back. I can't find Simba.
No, 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 no.
Was the door open? How long have you been Simba! 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 Simba!
Dude. What the hell? Simba girl.
Simba!
Simba. Alright guys, he's outside looking for her. Dude, I don't think she's out there, babe. I think she's... Simba!
door's open. Simba. Simba. Simba, come on, girl. Simba. Scar, where's Simba?
Babe! Babe! We pranked you. We pranked you. We pranked you. We pranked you. Babe! I literally think he went so far, you guys. I can't even hear him. He can't hear me yelling. Simba girl, we pranked him, we pranked him, we pranked him. We pranked him, we pranked him, we pranked him, we pranked him. Oh, oh, oh. I'm so nervous, you guys. I feel so bad. He's so mad. He hasn't eaten all day. He's fasting. Oh my god. Where do you go potty right now, sir? We just had to do a prank first, prank first, prank, prank, prank. Prank, prank, prank. We pranked him. We pranked him. We got him. We got him. Oh, oh, oh. We got him. We got him. We got him. Babe! Come here! Yeah! Yeah, she's hurt.
She
I just wants to let you know that she pranked you.
You're joking right now? You're an idiot, bro. That's not funny.
What?
That's not a fucking funny prank, bro.
You got pranked.
that's not a
You
funny
got
prank. You're an idiot.
pranked. You got pranked. You
Bro, are you
got
kidding me, bro?
pranked. Are you mad?
Bro, you're an idiot, bro.
Why?
Bro, that's not funny, bro.
You're angry.
That's not funny. Are you kidding me? Where is she now, dude?
Are
Dude,
you
that
mad?
wasn't funny, bro.
Are you mad?
Dude, no, you had me fucking looking outside like, where's the cat?
She's hiding. He's so much.
Yeah, bro, you just traumatized her, bro.
He's so upset, guys. Now I'm mad.
Oh, now you opened a can of worms that you're not ready for.
Are we starting a prank war?
Dude, you're not ready.
Simba's hiding from you. She doesn't want you
Where
to
is
find
she?
her.
Where'd you put her for real? You're covered in fur, you know? That wasn't even funny, bro. That wasn't even funny.
Gotta.
If you're gonna do a prank, at least do a funny prank.
That was hilarious.
I was
just mad
literally
'cause
running around the apartment.
We
like,
got him.
Shut up, turn it off. That's not recording me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more pranks so your girl can prank the boy. And comment down below if you think I got him.
No,
Definitely got him.
you went too far.
I got
You
him.
just started a war.
You guys,
You're not ready.
he was verge of tears. Literally
don't
called his sister, had his sister outside looking for the cat.
You had me running around the whole complex. I'm like, oh my god, we gotta activate her chip. We gotta figure it out. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, she does have a
Where's the
chip, you
cat?
guys. So if we lose her, we
It's
can
not
find her.
activated.
Oh,
So
I
I'm
thought
thinking we gotta
activated
activate
it.
the chip. I'm like, how am I gonna activate the chip? Where's the card? Where's this? Where's that? Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Where's the fucking cat? I'm looking in the bushes, all over the bushes, in the bushes. I'm like, Simba, Simba, Simba. Indoor cat. I'm asking Scar, where's the cat? Scar
there
doesn't
she
know
is.
anything.
There she is.
Dude, Simba girl.
She was okay the whole time, guys.
My girl Sims.
She's here.
Shout out to my
Prank
girl
over.
Simba.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Good
She
night.
loves me the most. Wait.
Addicted to this lifestyle. Yeah, I'm talking right now. Look, hey, see this Henny, I'ma pour. Pull it up. Pussy so good, I've been waiting all day for it. It's the Chevy or the Porsche. Which one? See the cameras, the lights, the life I was made for. Too much Henny in my system, I'm finna pass out. Damn. She bad, I'ma put her on timeout. They be tryna fuck cause I'm the man now. Disrespectful, tryna hit it at your dad's house. Shit's crazy, I'm really in my bag now. Been praying for these days, I'm living right now. Back shots till you tap out. Fuck a 9 to 5, I'm addicted to this lifestyle. And I'm tripping cause you mine now. Since you mine, let me put it in your spine now. Ay, I hit record, let it rewind now. And I'ma leave it in a few weeks, we gon' find out. Now look at the tab when we dine out. And since you left them behind, we see you shine now. Girl, you fine, let me take you back to my house. You gonna wanna be mine, you see the layout. Views up every month, check the payout. I be working all night till it's day out. I'm hungry, I be looking for a way out. I'm feeling like I'm gonna blow any day now. I be getting money multiple ways now. I'm in my bag, no more minimum wage now. You know I like it ass up with your face down. I'm head ass, put you all on my
I
background.
be in the land, watch me do the dash. I don't gotta check the price, I got hella cash. I be dating hella hoes, they don't never last. I be tryna take it slow, they be moving fast. Like slow down, you ain't never been with a rich nigga like me. I done done it all, none of this shit excite me. Asking if I'm single, I don't know, bitch I might be. Take a nigga hoe, if he mad, he can fight me. Yeah, she just put up with a nigga.